Hello guys, today's video is gonna be regarding one of the most interesting project, and that project is called LEONICORN SWAP. And in this video I'm gonna give you a brief introduction of what LEONICORN SWAP is. So first of all, if you're trying to go, always make sure that you are going to the right URL, which is dexleonicornswap.com/home. You can also follow the project on Twitter and find the right URL there. Try always to not to go for scams. So first of all, let's see in this video what is LEONICORN SWAP and what is it about, this whole project. So I personally call it one-stop DeFi platform because you find a lot of things here. So first of all, connect your wallet, and when you have connected the wallet, right next to wallet option, you can see that LEONICORN SWAP is basically being built on so many blockchains, and you can choose the blockchain you want to select, and this platform is really building a lot of value in crypto space. So I'm going to take you through options. So let's see what is swap. You just click on swap. So this option offers you opportunity. I'm right now on Binance Smart Chain, which is now called BNB. So you can choose the assets you want to swap and just write the amount you want to swap, and definitely kind of traditional DEX. And then you have the limit order option, which is very futuristic, very much interesting option. You can choose the price, on what exact price you want to sell or buy a specific asset. And then we have liquidity option. So obviously, like let's say Uniswap, etc., you can add liquidity to earn. And on LEONICORN SWAP, we have option which is basically perpetual trading, and believe it or not, this platform offers you 200x, really 200x leverage trading, which is like really a huge thing, a fascinating thing. And then there are two other options, LEOS merge and LEON merge, which are basically related to the old tokens. If you are holders of LEON or LEOS, you can merge your tokens to new one, which is LEONS token. Okay, and the next one is MineFi option on platform, the very first one. Then if you are looking for some passive income, LEONICORN SWAP is the right place for you, right option for you. Right now you can see total value locked, and using the DEN, you can actually generate your passive income, and you can see that total cubs mined at the moment are around 23 million. And you can also see that the platform is holding really a lot of volume in terms of total value logged. And then we have DICE option here. Like once again, if you are looking for some game files, so you can play DICE. Very soon a bag robbery, lottery are also gonna be the options on LEONICORN SWAP. And we also have here my affiliate code, which is kind of referral program. If you wanna earn additional money, you can always use that option. And we have total burned amount, how many LEONs the platform has burned till now. Okay, that is about MineFi. And the next option, staking. So Meet or Farms is basically the farming, liquidity providing. You can see the APRs. My goodness, 541% and 192% on two different pairs. It's a massive thing. Next one, Caves, pools. And there you can actually stake your LEONs and earn some passive income. Very nice option. If you are a holder, why not staking it? And then we have locked staking. So basically you can lock your LEONs and earn the stable APRs, which are 25% and 40% for a different duration of time. And then the platform also offers the bridge option. If you just click on the bridge, So you can actually use your accounts like for Binance or Binance US, and you can bridge the assets directly from your centralized exchanges. And then you can see the number of blockchains it actually offers to bridge. That is really amazing. Very interesting thing, NFT marketplace soon gonna be on LEONICORN SWAP. So these are some of the features, guys, we went through regarding this really futuristic and amazing trading platform. And once again, as I said, I personally calls LEONICORN SWAP as a one-stop DeFi platform, because if you are looking for, let's say, some sort of traditional trading like DEX, or you're looking for some passive income or staking or locked staking or perpetual trading with 200x leverage, this is the right place. That's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. And in the next video, I'm gonna give you a brief introduction about the team behind the LEONICORN SWAP. So till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself, guys.